Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. We are tracking a storm system for today and tomorrow, but the main snow is going to go across Nebraska and Iowa, where there's a winter weather advisory and a winter storm warning up there. If you are headed up I-29 or I-35 today, tonight, or tomorrow, keep that in mind. For our area, we don't really have to deal with any slick roads. Now, there may be some slick spots this morning mostly from refrozen water from melted snow piles and melted snow yesterday. And there's been some dense fog from Warrensburg, Sedalia, Clinton, over to Paola, up towards Olathe. And some of that may be causing a few slick spots. And if your car was parked outside anywhere, it's got a thick frost on it. And this was at 7:30, 7:40 in the morning. And the blue are the low clouds. The white are the higher clouds. Now, they don't show up once the sun rises. It's kind of hard to see. But the low clouds are coming in from the south. The high clouds are coming in from the west. It is going to become a cloudy day, but it is going to warm up. As we have a situation at noon, we'll be into the low 40s. And the storm we are tracking is tracking across Nebraska. There's a surface low there, snow from Sioux City, Iowa to Omaha. And look what happens as we go to about 3 p.m. We get up into the low 40s, and there is snow from Sioux City there to Des Moines, and we'll be mostly cloudy. Now, around 5 to 10 p.m., we could see a few rain showers from here northeastward. We'll still be in the mid to upper 30s at 8:30, and by midnight, we'll still be in the mid 30s. That surface low now is west of Kirksville, and the colder air will start to move in. I'll show you how much snow is going to fall up there in a minute. And by tomorrow morning, we'll be in the mid to upper 20s, which isn't that unusual for this time of year. However, the cold air takes hold tomorrow because it doesn't go anywhere. Temperatures will basically hold in the mid to upper 20s, maybe hit 30, but I think we'll have a lot of clouds tomorrow, so it's going to be hard to warm up. Now, 10 tomorrow afternoon in Des Moines. We're not going to get into that Arctic air, so if you are headed to the Chiefs game, keep it in mind that it's going to be mostly cloudy, breezy, very cold, wind chills in the teens, maybe dropping to around 10 at kickoff. And then we are at kickoff at 7:20 here on KSHB 41. It's 6 in Des Moines. Here it'll be in the low 20s to near 20. The wind will be coming down. That still means wind chills between 5 and 15. Then, watch this. We're not going to get into that Arctic air. I'll show you here in a second. Well, first watch this. 3 to 6 inches of snow from Sioux City, Iowa to Des Moines to Davenport, Iowa, 1 to 3 south of that. There may be a dusting in the far northeast corner of Missouri, maybe East Missouri as well. But we take a look at this. We are in the 30s to near 40 on Monday. The reason why the Arctic air is not getting here, south winds pushing it out. Look at Tuesday, into the 50s here, and a brisk southwesterly wind. But on Wednesday, a front will come in and put us back into the upper 30s to low 40s. I think pretty much 30s and 40s the rest of the week. We may have a day where it gets a little colder. We may have a day where the warmer air sneaks in here from the west, but overall, it'll generally be in the 30s and 40s for highs, and we just don't see any significant precipitation. So here is the forecast for today. We are looking at a high around 45. It will ultimately become cloudy during the morning here, and certainly by noon. And we may have a few rain showers after 5 p.m. Then tonight, before midnight, a few rain showers are possible. Temperature is still above freezing. And then after midnight, mostly cloudy, windy, colder. You will hear the wind rattling the north-facing windows, north 15 to 25. I don't think we're going to have enough water to cause any widespread black ice. But again, any snow piles that have melted, those can cause some slick spots. They will freeze as well. But a trace to maybe a hundredth or a few hundredths of an inch should not cause any big issues. Then on Chiefs Sunday, kickoffs at 7:20. They better win. And we have a situation where it'll be mostly cloudy, breezy, very cold. Temperatures will be in the 20s, wind chills in the teens. And for kickoff, though, the wind will be about 5 to 15, but the temperature will be around 20 degrees. So, yeah, it is going to get cold with wind as I get cold for the game. Nothing we haven't gotten used to this time of year. The Chiefs can win when it's cold, but will they here today for tomorrow? And there are 2 Chiefs games at home on that Super 10 day. They need to win both of them. I believe the Chargers are in town next Sunday. The game for tomorrow night is on KSHB 41. 40 on Monday after a low of 14, but 55 on Tuesday. Then generally 30s and 40s. We may have to adjust those temperatures as we get closer because fronts are in and out of the area. So it may kind of be a little more up and down than what we have there. So we'll keep an eye on that. But again, no big precipitation. Have a great weekend. Stay healthy.